Your Optimum Mobile account number is a unique identifier for your account, crucial for tasks like paying bills, adding lines, or contacting support. It's typically 10 to 12 digits long and different from your phone number. The easiest ways to find it are through the Optimum Mobile app, available on iOS and Android, the My Optimum web portal at optimum.net, or on your paper or digital billing statements. Look for account number or billing ID on these documents. Accessing this information requires your login credentials, like your username and password, or biometric verification if you're using the app. If you can't access your account number through the app or website, you can contact Optimum Mobile support at 1-888-276-5255 for prepaid plans. They will verify your identity before providing the number. Remember, your account number should be kept private to prevent fraud. Optimum Mobile uses security protocols to protect this information, including encryption and identity verification. Consider using a VPN for extra security when accessing your account online, especially on public Wi-Fi. Also, be aware that Optimum is moving towards more digital account management with increased app-based access and potential future AI integration for easier retrieval.